This is Rick from 15 Diamond Billiards and Paulie.
Hi.
And we're going to be playing a multiplayer version of my new game, Stripes and Solids, okay? And all the rules will be in the description, as well as on my, I'll leave a link in the description to my website. Okay, I'm going to start the break. Wow. I get to it immediately. What the hell? All right, so now you can choose whatever you want. Doesn't matter, but
Since
what
you
went?
have two.
I don't know what went in. What went in? We have all these balls here. All right, so count them 3, 4. Oh, 2 stripes. So I can pick solids if I want, or you know. Let's see what I want here. 2 stripes went in, but I can pick whatever I want. It'd be kind of crazy not to pick stripes.
Yeah, you already have two.
Because I could get a setup on this ball. So as long as I clear my designated whatever I choose. Right now it's open. If I miss this, Paulie can do the stripes, you know. So there's a good chance I can miss that. Also, I can go this way. Take a chance and go that way. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Better setup because I have a little angle. I'm gonna put weight on there, but honestly, stun it out. I'm gonna try for the stripe. And I missed, so it's open, okay? And I scratched. That don't count. I found this part. But I scratched, and Paulie has the ball in hand and can pick whatever he wants. Which right there, I would just take that in, and that's game, okay? This is a quickie. The 3 went in, so. Well, put it where you want, Paulie. Alright, so Paulie won the first one. Alright? Now, we have a second round. Let's get the. I need 4 straight. I got 2 here.
You have 2?
Actually, just give me 1 more. There you go. So we're gonna rack them up. I'm not gonna be in the way here, but I'll show you on my website. You can see how they rack. So put 1, 3 in the middle, and then. Well, basically, I might as well explain this. So you have solids on the outside, stripes on the inside. Basically, that's it. And then the 2 players, you add one of each on the bottom. So that's how you do it. Now Paulie breaks. If he wins this rack, he wins the match. If he doesn't, we go to my tiebreaker game. Okay, so you got 1 in, and you can pick whatever you want. A solid went in, by the way. So you can pick whatever you want. That's not going to set you up.
Yeah, I'm actually limited.
But I'm saying you can go for your solid, but it doesn't look good. Neither does the 9 though, for that matter. Yeah. So either way, it's not good. You might as well go for that then. It's up to you, Paulie. What I'm saying.
I'll try it.
It's up to you. Yeah. Obviously.
We're ready. No,
Alright, well it's still open. So it's still open. Doesn't matter because it's garbage this time. It's not great. That's messy right there. I put it for the 13 because I want. Unless I get the 2 and we roll it down here by chance. No, it's gonna get stuck.
So it's a little
I'll go for
tough.
the 13. Yeah. Stop. I want this one. Alright, now I can break up the 9. Maybe. Oh, I don't have to. Oh yeah, it's gonna go this way. I have to stun it. I'm gonna miss this probably if I don't. See, I missed it, but I broke it out. Got it out of the way. I can get that from the bank. Alright, so it's your turn, Paulie. You're wide open on both of these. Yeah. Yeah. And last ball. Very nice. Now you got a good angle on that to bring it down for the 2. And that'll be the game. Paulie wins this. Alright.
We'll see how it,
Yeah, it's gonna put you right over here.
how it goes. No, I missed it on
You
that
did
side.
that on purpose.
No, I
Come
didn't.
on.
I wish I did, but well, leaves it open. Leaves it open for.
hit it soft because otherwise I wouldn't have that shot. Alright, this is for the game.
Well, that's good. You could do the tiebreaker.
Yeah, we're gonna have a tiebreaker next. If I win, then I didn't get it yet. Yeah. Alright, so 1-1. Now we have a tiebreaker match. Determined. Now, who breaks is determined by a lag. Only on the tiebreak. There's no lag. You just because there's one. You get one set apiece. All right. If you want to call it a set or a game, a round, whatever. One round. So we're gonna do that right now. Let's set them up. Well, actually, we'll just do
Do the lag
do the lag
first,
first. Yep. Let's pick a ball. Just put it on this spot here. I guess. Yes. Do a lag.
Actually, I'll do a stretch.
It doesn't matter. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. And just hit it, and you'll come here.
Okay. Not too hot for me.
Yeah, that's gonna go flying. Alright, so mine wasn't even that great either. Alright, so I won the lag, so I get the break. Doesn't mean that you anything, as you saw. I mean, it's just that I think you have a slight advantage when you're breaking, you know what I mean? Alright, so one more of those, one more of these. I got the solids. I don't have a straight. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're cool. So let's do this. Do these. I like the way this sets up. Really good, mathematically correct. Alright, so this is determines the tiebreak determines the. I'm glad you won the first one, and I won the second. That way we can show them the tiebreak.
Yeah, that actually worked out.
Yeah. Look at this. Come on. Better not scratch again. Alright, so now you can pick whatever you want now. 13, so easy. Depends on what you want, but.
No, I'll try it.
You can see, even with a tiebreak, this match can go real quick. Alright. Ooh.
Oh, I went too slow on it.
Alright. I'm sure I like that. I'm gonna go for the high, these lows. I'm gonna go for the low on the side. One on the side, and then bring it all the way down for the two. Oh, missed. So it's still open. Now you got it. Look around. Yeah.
So I think that.
You can take whatever you want. Everything goes with that one. And that two. You do a combo if you want. So if you wanted that, or you can just shoot that first. Whatever. I'm saying it's legal. 8-ball rules apply. You know. Standard 8-ball rules. Okay, so you got stripes. Excuse me.
That's a tough one.
You better have to do this, Paul. And then roll it up a little and then get this here and then 15 that way. If you go for this one,
Yeah, then
it's gonna go over here somewhere. You still have a shot. It's up to you, but that's a
Yeah.
hard shot. That's
Yeah.
not easy.
Let me see if I can.
Compared to that, you know. But whatever. I'm just saying. Do it. Nice. See? Now you have the 15 on the side right here. Not bad. That's much easier. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Compared to this.
Yeah, that was a little crazy. Yeah, I thought.
I mean, it goes. I'm just saying. This is better. And it's gonna put you up. It's gonna put you up here.
Ah, missed it though.
Oh, you blocked my shot that I was. Now I have to go for the one first. Roll it up. Okay. Not good. That's a crappy combo. I don't like it. I'm gonna go for this. Let's come back down. Hit your 15, I'll be screwed. Alright, I'll try this. This combo sucks. Ooh,
Yes.
no good. That's not good. Hit it too hard. Now I have to go up and down. Alright. I'm gonna try to slice it in. Look, I missed. And I got you one. So, you win. So you get that and you win. Alright, hey, that's the way it is. That's the way
Well,
it is.
let's see.
Oh.
Let's see if I can get
You
it.
got the 10.
Oh, that's right. What am I looking
The
at?
easy one.
Looking at the wrong one. You would have won if you.
No, I'm not winning that way. You win. It's all good. I'm just showing people how to play, you know?
No, I hit it wrong.
Are you doing this on purpose?
No, I wish I. No, I don't wish I was. But
Well, you give me a good leave because I was gonna say you want once I missed this shot. Right then, that's right. Backwards. I knew it, I got it. But that sucked. That's the problem with that. Alright, right here. Okay, so it's your turn. Ah! Oh, I blocked it.
I can't get that.
I blocked
I'd
it.
have to jump over you.
No, you have to hit it over here, Paul. You don't want to give me ball in hand on that. That's game. This is like the 8-ball. These are the 8 balls. For us,
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You get it in, you win. You get mine, and I win. So you have to ball that way. This is closer, but harder. Either way, it's not good because the bank is right at that point.
I'll try to do it here. I guess it's.
Well, over there it ain't gonna go. It'd have to be way up here. Yeah, and then taking a chance of crashing.
Yeah.
But I mean,
Maybe you're right.
oh no. If you want to go here and double bank, it's gonna go that way. No? Yeah, that's tricky. Yeah, that's up here. It's wrong. I can't tell.
Yeah, maybe I can.
Try it.
Well, can I go? As long as I hit it, right?
Yeah, but you don't want to go in here with the white ball.
Yeah.
Right, try to hit it. You might not.
I'll try it.
Although that's thin as hell.
It is thin.
You can see that well. If it hits a bank, you're good. You're good. You hit a bank. Good shot.
Like half lucky, half.
Now
Yeah.
I'm screwed. I'm gonna try. I have to put the cue ball down there, and I'm gonna open it up for you. But I have no choice. All right, let's try that. All right, I had to do a save. I mean, you still have the shot, and now it's open, but I put you on the bank, you know, on purpose.
Yeah.
I make it harder for you, that's all. But it's your game still. Definitely your game. Yeah. You gotta get it. That's all. It's a dramatic ending here.
No. Nah.
Ooh, close. I thought you were gonna get it. Oh, look what you did to me. Oh.
No, you
I
said
call it there. No, that's. I hate this.
Like I think so. I think you got it.
Ooh, just right.
That's
There
good.
it is. All right, well, anyway, that's the
Good.
game. So that's so there you go. All right, that's how you play stripes and solids, multiplayer. All right. Say bye, Paulie.
All right.
Take it easy, man.